Welcome back to my newly named channel. My name is Gigi, and what we're going to do today are Harvest Moon nails. The beginning of fall is Wednesday, so the harvest moon is upon us. When I was outside earlier today, the moon was full and it was a juicy, gorgeous, yellowy color, and the sky was almost exactly the color that we're painting these nails right now. So I actually got inspired by a picture I saw for the harvest moon. I knew that the harvest moon is here, and I know that the equinox is Wednesday, so I really wanted to do moon nails. There was a big chunk in there, like a chunk of glitter or something, so I just was wiping that off. Now this is a color changing polish, so once we get this cured for 60 full seconds, we will do a second coat, and look at the difference between the color. It is such a nice, beautiful color changing polish with the lighter green and the darker green, tealy. They're kind of teal. It's like a teal blue and a teal green. There you go. Okay guys, if you want the long version of why I changed the name of the channel and am rebranding, there was a live stream Sunday, yesterday, and it is all of the reasoning behind it is on that video. The replay is there, so go ahead and check it out. Short version, name too long, wanted something catchier and something close to my heart, something that made my soul sing a little bit. Glam tones is what I picked after a lot of thought and time considering, and I hope you like it as much as I do. I like it because it's musical and it's colorful, so there you go. Now what I'm doing is just patting out a circle, and I find that to be the easiest way rather than just trying to draw a circle and fill it in. I just like to pat it out. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm filling it in a tiny bit more. And then we are going to go ahead and do another 60-second cure, because you don't want to just flash cure this. It's pretty pigmented. It's that cream gel, and I mixed that yellow and white together. And I really love the color. I feel like I want to do a set of nails in this color, so definitely think it's cute. I think that I feel like I could make something happen with that. So now the second coat we're going on, and it's getting a little more opaque. But then we're going to cure this again and come in for a third coat. And in this third coat, before we cure it, I'm also going to pick up a little bit of gray. Oh, I hate when I set my brush in the wet gel. You can see I left it there because I'm like, oh my goodness, I'll clean it in a second. It's really annoying. I shouldn't have done that. So I'm just taking some gray, and you know the moon has those little gray sections, like darker sections, what have you. And so I'm just adding a little shading in there to sort of simulate that. I didn't try to do an exact replication of the moon. It's just a representation, okay? Sorry, that light was shining on there a little bit too hard. But now I'm just coming around the edges, giving it a little darkening. Okay, I thought that this set would be a perfect excuse to bust out these little star stickers. And I did that first one there as a tester, so it's not actually on camera. But I love these little stars. I kind of do wish that the white was more opaque, but it is kind of pretty and it gives it more of a soft look. I'm not unhappy with it. It's a very subtle set. And guys, let me tell you, it's a very quick set. And I took it a little magical with this Pegasus, because why not? Right? I'm sorry, why not? I saw it there. I was like, I want one more thing. And I saw it sitting there on the page, and I'm like, oh, I need a Pegasus. So Pegasus and stars are what we are doing, and I'm not unhappy that I did that. I'm realizing here that this is not going to work out very well. So tweezers to the rescue. Now it's time to come in with a top coat. Full disclosure, I did go ahead and do a base coat first just to make sure that everything was nice and securely encapsulated, but the base coat was splitting on top of the stickers, so I'm really bummed about that. But all in all, this is a very fast, very cute set, and I love it. Now this is what it looks like warm, but a little bit of alcohol on a paper towel, and you're gonna see pretty quickly, look how fast it starts to change, how quickly it goes to the darker blue. And I'm telling you, this color is almost exactly like that picture I saw that inspired me, and the sky that I actually saw tonight with my own eyes. So I love this set. I love how it came out. I think it perfectly represents a harvest moon sky, and I hope you agree with me. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I hope to see you back on Wednesday for another awesome nail art adventure. Go watch my live stream. Bye-bye.